Hello friends, welcome back to Online Math Up. We are going to be solving this problem right here. So this is x power x power 2 is equal to 16. And so we're going to be solving for the values of x that actually satisfy the equation. Okay, but just before we proceed, if you are new to our channel, you want to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and also turn on the notification icon so that whenever we release new content, you actually get to know about it. Okay, and of course, having done that, we're going to proceed right into the video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by writing solution, and then I'm going to write this question. So this is x power x, then power 2 is equal to 16. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is actually to put this in bracket. Okay, so that what I now have is x power x, and then bracket 2 is equal to 16. Okay, so next, you remember one of the properties of indices, which basically say that if you have a power m and then power n, you can actually write this as a power m n. Okay, or you can also write this as a power. You can actually switch these variables, so you bring in the n and then you can also bring out m. So this is the same as this, and of course also the same as this. So that is what I'm going to apply here, so that if I do that, what I'm going to be having here is x power. So I'm going to bring in this to x power 2 and then all raised to power x. So I'm going to bring out that x right there. And of course, it's equal to 16. Okay, so next, I am actually going to raise both sides to power 2, so that if I do that, I will be having x power 2 and then all raised to power x and then power 2. Okay, so that I have that this is still equal to 16 power 2. Good. So I am actually going to be making some substitutions so that this actually reduce. And if I do that, I can just say let x power 2 to be equal to m. Okay, so that if I substitute, I now have that this is m power m is equal to 16. And then of course I can also do some things right here. This 16, I can actually write it as 4 power 2. Okay, so let me just put that in bracket and then power 2 right there. Okay, so that I will have that this is m power m is equal to, now I can also use this to multiply these two right here, so that if I do that, I'm going to be having that this is equal to 4 power 2 times 2 is actually 4. Okay, so we have m power m is equal to 4 power 4, and if you now compare the coefficients, this is actually going to imply that our m is equal to 4. Okay, but we actually set our m to be equal to x power 2. So in order for us to get the value of x, we make the substitution back. So x power 2 is equal to 4. Okay, so that you can go ahead to take the square root of both sides. Of course, this is plus or minus. So x is now equal to plus or minus the square root of 4, which when you evaluate that, x is now equal to plus or minus 2. So whether x equal to positive 2 or negative 2, if you actually put it in the question we are solving, and of course don't forget the question we just solved is x power 2 is equal to 16. So if you substitute x equal to positive 2 is actually going to satisfy this equation. Or if you also substitute x equal to negative 2, it will also satisfy this equation. So this is how you actually go about it. And if you've understood what we've solved, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more updates, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.